today we are doing a office makeover. I'm so freaking excited. This is so overdue. I have lived in this place for like 6 years and we honestly didn't think we'd be here this long, so I never really put my mark on this room. But girl, we painted, we got new furniture, we got new lighting fixtures, artwork, mirrors, everything. As I'm filming this, I've had the room as is for a little over a week now and my productivity levels have just like skyrocketed. Like, it's just so nice to have a space that really matches how I feel on the inside, you know? Everything that I purchased will be linked in the description box down below. And just remember that you can always go to my Amazon storefront and go to my office folder. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post new content. I post every single week, but not on the same day. So, you know, the notification option really helps. And make sure you give this video a big ass thumbs up if you like it already. Okay, let's get into the transformation.
Those are good.
Yeah, that looks good already.
Oh, that's already, yeah.
That's perfect.
That's it.
Wahoo! Hello, it is the next day. As you can see, the chandelier is up. We're obsessed. Alexa, turn the blogger room light on. Alexa, turn the light green. Clearly I'm obsessed. Anyways, I went to Home Depot today and I got hopefully everything that I need to get started on this room. So I will show you guys what I got and then I'm gonna start decluttering, start moving things out of the room. All right, let's start off with the paint. So I went with the off-white. This is by Glidden. I don't know, guys, that's it. And then for the trim, I got this white, it's called Frost, and this is by Bear. And I had a list of all the paint like tools that I needed, and this was pretty much all of it. I ended up getting this really long pole to attach to the roller cage. And then for the plastic sheeting, they didn't have like any smaller sizes. Now we have all the nitty gritty stuff. This is what I got for the spackle because it goes on pink and it dries white, so you'll know when it's ready to paint over. I got this frog tape. I got a 220 grit sand sponge, and then I got a 15-in-1 tool. If my husband was here, which he's not, he's out of town, but if he was here, he'd be like, honey, you don't need that. But you know what? The lady that I watched on the YouTube video on how to prep a room had one, so I needed one. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Time to empty the room. Let's get to it. I need to start with these shoes because they're gonna drive me nuts. The room is empty. This is what she's looking like. I think this just comes out. Ah, wow, that was really easy. Oh God, there's so much dust up there. Oh wait, you guys have to see this. Oh! Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Yay! All these home improvement shows are really paying off. Beautiful. Okay, so here's where we're at. It's literally like 9 p.m. but I don't know, I have a lot of energy and I'm excited, so I want to start painting. It just is what it is. Like, this is what I do when I'm by myself. Literally all of the trim is taped off. Also, I promise I'm wearing pants. They're just very short. first coat is done. You can't really see it that well, but I did it. Yeah, I am going to now make some food and go to bed. It's midnight, which actually isn't bad. Looks like we'll be doing this again tomorrow, but thankfully it'll be pretty easy. And we'll go from there. See you guys then. Okay, y'all, this is what everything's looking like. I'm obsessed with the color. It's exactly what I wanted. Honestly, it's better than what I wanted. I went ahead and taped off everything just a few minutes ago, and I actually taped the carpet this time because I know next I'm gonna be doing the trim. So yeah, I'm gonna do the second coat and let's get it. Well, that was the end of my paint. Thankfully, that was also the last section of the wall I had to paint. For now, I will just go ahead, rip off the tape, and then come back in about 2 hours, probably feed myself, go through my emails. Okay, so I did the trim off camera, but everything looks so good. Ugh, feels so good to be done painting. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna be able to start putting together some of my furniture after all today. I'm so excited because I thought this wasn't gonna come until like tomorrow or the next day, to be honest with you. I'm so excited for this desk because it's so much bigger than my last one was. All right, here we go. It's done! It's not gonna go there, but I just wanted to get it out of the way. Also, that mirror is fucking heavy. If you get that mirror, have a friend help you. Wow, this is surprisingly very comfortable. Oh yeah, the little pillows. How cute is this couch, you guys? I took the door off the closet and I kind of don't want to put it back. I freaking hate that door. It drives me nuts. I'm just gonna get some curtains to put up there. It's gonna look way nicer. I'm gonna get a little throw for this too. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited, you guys. Here, come look from this angle. This is what I'm looking at right now. Yay! Did a little bit extra work. It's almost 1 a.m. I need to eat and pass out, but look at how cute the couch is. I moved in my little rack here. I turned my light on to a different color, obviously, which is why it looks like this. The desk looks amazing. I can't wait till my computer and everything is set up on it. I got one of the shelves done, but then we'll have the other shelf up tomorrow morning. I'll finish all of that. So once everything's set up, I'm just gonna like use my eye and, you know, see what else I might want to grab. And then we're gonna go to Home Goods and absolutely go crazy. Anyways, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Oh my God, this mirror is everything. Hello, hello. It is 9:09 p.m. The way I slept in so freaking late today. Apparently I needed sleep because I slept in until an hour that I am ashamed to admit. Then after I put together the second shelf, which I'll show you guys in a second, it looks so good. I went to Home Goods and I grabbed some goodies. So I have tons of stuff to show you guys. I'm just gonna do a quick little haul. Yeah, then we're gonna start putting this room together. Like I can start moving stuff back in. I want to get everything done as much as I possibly can tonight so that tomorrow I can start fresh and like go to the gym, tackle my to-do list, and work in here. Oh, my husband's calling me. Hold on. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting in my office looking at all the stuff I bought at Home Goods.
Oh, did you get some good stuff?
I got a lot of good stuff. I got a very, very big picture that is stunning and I don't know how to hang it up.
If you open up the top of the lid and then there's the tray, take the tray out. It's brass nail with a brass hook, or you can put them right in the drywall. You won't have to hit a step.
Amazing. Okay, I'm back. So I figure I will hang this up tomorrow. Thankfully, Mason said that we have everything that we need to hang up a picture this size, so I'm just gonna use his stuff. But how stunning is this? Is this not so beautiful? This honestly helped me figure out what else I wanted to get for the room because obviously I'm gonna base a lot of my decor off of the biggest piece of art that's in the room. Since the room is cooler toned, this will bring some warmth to it which is fun because then I can play with like warmer colors or cooler colors if I ever want to switch up the decor. Yeah, I'm so excited for this. It's gonna go right above the couch. And then I got this throw for the couch as well. I wanted to kind of play off of the colors in here and like the kind of buttercream color of the couch. I got these curtains for the window. They're kind of sheer, so if I want to change my clothes, I might just have to go into the bathroom to do that. But I wanted like the light to still be able to come through. And then I got these curtains, which are so pretty. These are for my closet here. I got this curtain rod, which is so cute. It has like, oh, isn't that stunning? Since I'm gonna have like the blinged outlet covers that I bought off Amazon. And it gives the room more of like a fun vibe, since I am going with this painting and like everything else in here. It's just kind of very like sophisticated and chic, which I love, but this will allow me to still like have a little bit of my inner child in the room without it looking tacky, you know. I got this little frame because Mason and I have a bunch of pictures that we've printed out, so I want to take one and put it in my office and have like a little spot where I can see our photo, you know. And then this is the only candle that didn't smell like absolute shite. Tell me why the candles in Home Goods smell atrocious nowadays. This was the only one that didn't, and it goes with my decor, which we love. I went ahead and bought 2 of them. And I got this jewelry organizer because I desperately needed one. This isn't typically like my style, like this little eye situation. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of settled because this was the only one that I could find that had like the little prongs on it that I could put my rings on. Yeah, I think it's still really cute. Either way, I'm gonna make it look good in here. But once again, it'll add to like that kind of like funky, like fun vibe. And then random stuff, I got 2 sets of kitchen towels because I needed them horribly, and I got some taper candles for my living room. That is the Home Goods haul. I'm gonna start moving stuff back in here now, set up what I can without hanging stuff on the walls and hammering into the walls. All right, let's do it. Ta-da! It looks so good. I wanted to leave at least 1 shelf space for like some non-shoe items, so my jewelry organizer and stuff like that. Good morning! It is time to hang up this painting. This is probably the heaviest thing I've ever hung up before. Oh my god, it looks so good! Are you joking me? Look what just came in the mail. They're so cute. Honestly, a lot of my outlets are hidden, but my light switches aren't, so I'm gonna at least put these on. So before I show you guys the final result, I just wanted to remind you what this place looked like before. I had no place for my shoes. There wasn't any organization going on. My mirror wasn't big enough. I didn't really have a proper desk. And now you can see it actually looks like a proper beauty room / office. I love how everything came together, from the couch to the desk to the mirror to my little tiny bits and bobs that I got thrifting over the past few months, and with all the stuff that I had before. Everything just really fit together. I feel like I now have a place that I'm really proud of, that I could be super productive in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it to the outro, but could not be happier. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. Like I said, it's come a long way. It's amazing what a little bit of paint and just like updated furniture can do. I feel so blessed to have this room now, and I feel like it's just very fitting. So thank you guys for watching my vlog, my office makeover. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I will answer all of them. And aside from that, just remember that everything that I purchased that I can link will be linked down below, and that'll be the majority of the stuff. Before you head out, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big ass thumbs up if you liked it. I love y'all so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!